Liquid soap there and softener. So many washing machine on the line, but only few people is washing personally. Maybe they have each house have own washing machine, so that's why only few people is washing. About this morning, about 2 person, including us. There's a bag you can buy and drinks. About one guy is washing there. If you want to refresh yourself, you have to spend 2.50 ringgit per soft drinks.